Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today the goal is to fix the G35. Sitting right out there. Oop. And to try and fix it, I got both the cam sensors, bank 1 and 2. The symptoms that are going on with the car are kind of pointing towards these being bad, but it's not 100% for sure, but it's something that needs to be changed regardless. It's a very problematic part in the G35. And I've already changed the crank sensor, so hopefully we can just replace these and it is fixed, because I want to drive this thing so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go out here in the snow and try and replace both these and get this car to run right. But anyways, I will catch you guys when we are installing these parts. There's the G35 engine for you. Okay. There it is. Yep, that one looks coated in oil. Alright, I found a wrench. Hopefully this is gonna work a lot better. There it is. Yum. Oh, I forgot a flathead screwdriver. Damn. Let's hope this is the problem. It doesn't look bad, but also is a coat of oil on there. Alright, I got the old one out. Time to put the new one in. Perfect. Alright. It's a little bit of a trick to get that last one done. Perfect. Alright. Now let's snake it back in. Goes right. Oh. Right there. Just like that. Perfect. It's on. Now, where's the second one? Alright guys, so I got the cam position sensor changed. I'm gonna start the car up. Hopefully everything goes good. I wasn't able to get the bank 2 sensor done because I don't have a long enough extension. Because I wasn't able to get bank 2 sensor done. I didn't have a long enough extension, and there's no room at all to move the ratchet. I need one that's a little bit more fine-tooth if I was able to do that. Because you can only move it like maybe that much at a time, and unfortunately it doesn't allow me to do that. So I'm gonna have to get an extension, and yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully that fixed it. We won't know until it's actually warmed up though, but I want to make sure it starts up and everything. Looks good. We'll have to wait for this to get to operating temp, and then once it gets to operating temp, I will turn it off and hopefully it'll start back up and everything will be good. Usually that's where my problem lays, is when it gets hot, it won't want to start back up, but we're gonna see if this helps it. I hope it does, and yeah, I'm super excited for this car. I can't wait for it to run right. I do need to get the rear brakes adjusted though. I'm gonna get that done sometime this week, but I'm gonna let this warm up. I'm gonna go inside where it's warm, and yeah, it's a good start to the day. Sorry if some of the angles were a little goofy. It was kind of hard to get my hands in there and have the GoPro in a good spot, so I apologize, but I hope this helps you if you guys are trying to replace your cam sensor as well. But I'm gonna go inside, clean up a little bit, and wait for this to get warm, and then see if it works. Alright, so I was editing this video and I realized that I forgot to do an ending, and I forgot to update you guys. So the Bank 1 cam sensor did not fix my problems, but as you see in upcoming videos, I'm pretty sure we found the problem, and we're gonna get that fixed. But I'm going to try and throw this ending in real quick so I can get this video up for you guys. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, hit that like button. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. And comment down below what you think of the video and what I can improve on. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good one.